All right, here's today's question. We are opening a restaurant for some reason during COVID, even though everything's getting shut down. Well, we're going to open a restaurant anyways because it's just going to be so popular. And we have square tables that allow one chair on each side. Therefore, we can arrange 4 chairs around each table. If the restaurant has 32 tables, how many chairs do we need to buy? Well, this was an easy one to get started. You could have done a tea table, but what would have been the easier way to solve this? Nadia? 32 times 4, and it gives you an answer of 128. So there's the first one done. Okay, you could have done a tea table, but then you're doing a tea table from 1 through 32, and it would go up by 4 each time. So it would have just taken too long. What's next? As we set up the restaurant, we put one table at a time with its full set of chairs surrounding it. If we put out 36 chairs, how many tables have been set up? So now we have 36 chairs. Roman? 36 divide that by 4 is 9. So the first two were just simple multiplying and dividing questions. We have banquets. We sometimes need to push the tables together. This changes the amount of chairs we can put around the table grouping, as shown in the following picture. So there's the picture. How many chairs are required to set up 32 tables in pairs? So this is one table. So this is when you're going to need your friend the T-chart. Okay, so tables and chairs. So this is 2 tables. How many chairs are here? Does the photo show? 6. So then you would need 4 tables. And how many chairs would we need for 4? Mohammed? Sorry? 12. You're right. Great answer. If you have 6 tables, how many chairs do we have? Nadia? 18. So you would continue this pattern, and first I would look for the pattern in the table here. So what would the pattern be? What would we need to do here? Let's have a look. This is what you need to figure out, because you can go all the way. I mean, here's the answer right here. You can make a tea table like this. You could do this. You could, but this could be done in a way easier way. Well, it is jumping by 6, but what's happening on this side? Maniha? So then what's a pattern skip counting by? This is going up by 6, this is going up by 2. So if there were 3, what number would be here? I know I'm writing it really small because I don't really want it to get in the way. Maniha? 9. So this is skip counting by 3s. So if it's skip counting by 3s, and we need 32 tables, 32 multiplied by 3 is 96. There's your answer. Remember when I told you at the beginning, T-chart's your friend. Okay. And the last one says here, how would the answer to part C, this part here, change if we group 8 tables end to end? So 8 tables end to end simply means putting the tables together like this. So how many chairs would you need? How many chairs do you need, Varisha? 18 chairs. So there's 18 chairs for 8 tables. Now, you can draw out this 4 more times or 3 more times, but we can just do this. 8 would have 18, and how many chairs would that be? And then 24. 54 is correct. And 32 tables means how many chairs? 72. And that is what you would do. So put together a T-chart, because a T-chart's your friend. You could have drawn all this out. You could have made long T-charts like this. But when you find the pattern rule, this guy here is going to help you a lot. Okay?